Hello dear students, I hope you all are safe. Today we'll do the language work and we'll start with a new chapter which is subject verb agreement, chapter number 3. Alright, as you are aware, we have already covered two chapters, the sentence, first chapter, and chapter number 2, subject and how to identify subject and predicate. Today we'll do subject verb agreement. As you all are aware now how to identify the subject in a sentence and which one is the subject of a sentence. The part of sentence that tells us who or what the sentence is about is called the subject. Alright, I repeat again, that part of the sentence that tells us who or what the sentence is about, that is called the subject. We have also seen how to identify the predicate. Okay, so here verb, we are aware the action words are called the verb, that what is the action being done in the sentence. Clear? So you are now you are aware about both concepts, what is a subject and what is a verb. Now what is the meaning of this agreement? Subject verb agreement, it basically refers to the special way in which a subject and a verb work together to make a sentence correct. Basically the two these two must agree in numbers. In number means if the subject is singular, the verb should also be singular, but if your subject is plural, the verb should also be plural. All right, there are few basic rules which we need to follow, right? Whenever we are writing a sentence, we have to follow few basic concepts and few basic rules. And for subject verb agreement also we have a few rules. We'll go through these rules one by one. All right, so here we begin with page number 10. Subject verb agreement means that the subject and the verb in a sentence must agree in number. कि अगर आपका subject singular है तो आपकी verb भी singular होना चाहिए. If your subject is, मतलब जो भी काम sentence में कर रहा है, who or whatever is there, if that is singular, singular verb should be singular. If it is plural, verb should also be plural. All right, we'll see these all rules one by one. So let's begin. The first one, let's study the rules of subject verb agreement. A singular subject takes a singular verb and a plural subject takes a plural verb. I've already explained in the beginning also. So come here on the next page and see. They've given examples and I'll explain. A dog barks, singular subject is given. So which one is the subject here first of all? A dog. Dog के बारे में बात हो रही है ना. And what is the action going on? Bark. Barking is the action now. So this is a action. So here dog is singular. A verb is also singular. Dogs bark. Now here the subject is plural. So our verb is also plural. All right. Now these two sentences are the example of which sentence? Do you remember simple present? What were the rules in simple present? What we used to learn? In a simple present tense, if your subject is singular, we'll say verb, first form of verb plus s or es will add. If your subject is what? If it is singular. All right. And if the subject is what? Plural, then क्या यूज़ करते थे हम? Only the first form of verb. All right. So the same rule we follow here. We'll follow here. Singular subject, singular verb, plural subject, plural verb. All right. See one more example here. I'm writing. Ria dash with a ball. So here Ria is what? Subject है हमारा. It is singular. So I'll say Ria plays. Here play is the first form of verb and I have to add s here. ठीक है, सब्जेक्ट वर्ब एग्रीमेंट इसी को बोलते हैं. अगर मैं यहाँ पे लिख देती रिया प्ले, it's incorrect because subject is singular but verb here is plural. So verb, this one is correct, singular. All right. Same if we have something like Ria and her friends play. Now here this is the subject now. This is plural. So our verb is also plural. This is the very first rule. Clear? See, look at the second rule. When the subject of a sentence is composed of two or more nouns or pronouns, we use a plural verb. For example, now क्या कह रहे हैं कि जब सब्जेक्ट में अगर 2 पर्सन्स आ जाते हैं, ठीक है, तो वो प्लूरल बन जाता है ना, तो इसलिए हमारी तब हम कौन सा रूल फॉलो करेंगे? प्लूरल वर्ब का. विल ऐड अ प्लूरल वर्ब विद दैट सब्जेक्ट. सी, Pratima and Mahima are at the mall. Now 2 persons are here, it means they are plural, so I have written are here. This is a helping verb now. So plural subject and the plural verb. Principal and the teacher here, this is also plural. Are in the staff room, verb is plural. Okay, let's see one more example of this. If I say they, all right, dash going to the school. Okay, so here they dash going to school. We are aware they is used for plural, so I say they is going to school. Is it correct? Is it correct? They के साथ we use is. Here our subject verb agreement is not fulfilled. This is incorrect because what we have to use here, the plural form of verb. They are going. ठीक है, this is correct one. This is also what? Plural. Yeah. See one more example of this kind. Priya and her mother, ठीक है, are going to mall. All right, so here Priya and her mother, this is a subject, this is what? Plural. ठीक है, so are going, we have used the plural verb here like this. Okay, I hope it's clear now. Next one, third rule. When 2 or more singular nouns or pronouns are joined by or, we use a singular verb. ठीक है, अगर आपने अपने nouns और pronouns में और लगा दिया है, means we have to give one choice, then we have to use singular verb. ठीक है, because that subject is treated as singular. See the example. The man और his son is at home. अब देखिए, the man और his son, आदमी या उसका बेटा घर पे है, दोनों में से एक की बात हो रही है ना. at one time और लग गया ना, so we subject is singular. We are talking about the man or his son. एक टाइम पे एक जना ही घर पे मिलेगा, so subject is singular, so we have used the singular verb here, is at home. Clear? Second, the guide or the tourist goes first. Here again, दोनों में से one we have to pick. So what we are saying, singular subject goes first आ गया ना. सिंपल प्रेजेंट में हमने देखा है ना, when the subject is singular हम क्या लगाते हैं फर्स्ट फॉर्म के साथ, एस या ई एस. हियर आई हैव अप्लाइड ई एस विद गो, गोज बन गया. ऑल राइट, सी द सेम एग्जाम्पल. प्रिया, अब देखो हाउ दिस विल गेट चेंज. और हर मदर, ठीक है, डैश गोइंग टू मॉल. अब दोनों में से एक चॉइस आ गई ना, प्रिया या उसकी मम्मा जाएगी. सो हम इसको कैसे ट्रीट करेंगे? दिस इज सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट, विल राइट इज हियर. ठीक है, सो दीज 3 रूल्स वी हैव डिस्कस्ड. द वन वॉज, इफ योर सब्जेक्ट इज सिंगुलर, वर्ब शुड ऑल्सो बी सिंगुलर. इफ द सब्जेक्ट इज प्लूरल, वर्ब शुड ऑल्सो बी प्लूरल. और उन्हीं को आगे इन 2 सेंटेंसेस में रूल्स में हमने डिफाइन करा है. रेस्ट ऑफ द रूल विल कंटिन्यू इन द रूल्स विल डिस्कस इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. टिल देन टेक केयर, बाय बाय.